Hi guys, today we're doing rational numbers for our NS notes for 6. Today is rational numbers, and any number that can be expressed as a blank of blank blank. So it's expressed as a ratio, like we talked about before when we reviewed this, of two integers. Or written in the form of a fraction or decimal. Remember, that is where we said A over B, where B is not 0. Okay, next part down here says the number system review. We want to make sure that we put in natural, whole, integers, and rational numbers in the right circle. So this is like our Venn diagram where we're saying everything inside the circle is. So we start with natural numbers in the center. And then we go to whole numbers. Integers, and rational numbers. Okay, so natural numbers are those numbers. Remember, we can count on our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are our natural numbers. And so on to infinity. Then our whole numbers, remember, it's all of the natural numbers plus 0, and we can say we have a 0. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on for infinity. Then we have integers, and integers are all of our natural and whole plus opposites. So we have included in this is our negative numbers as well. Then we move on to rational numbers, and rational numbers, remember, include all those numbers we can put A over B. So fractions and decimals. Then we have label and complete the following diagrams. So let's look at this. First, we have a whole number 0 in the middle. Then we have the next one, we look at integers, and we know those include our opposites. Now this is the opposite of 2.8, but negative 2.8 is not an integer because it has to be opposite of a whole number. So negative 4 is an integer. And then rational numbers include all of our others. So our 6.8, negative 2.8, and 1/2. On the other side here, same thing again. So do we have any whole numbers? Yes, we do. We have a 1. We also have 25. And that would be our whole numbers. Then we have integers next. And as we look, we are looking for the opposites, right? So opposites of those whole numbers, and we have a negative 7. Then we want rational numbers. And all of our rational numbers are all of those decimals and fractions. So negative 2/3, negative 4.2, and 6/12. All right, guys, finish filling out your notes. Make sure you have everything down, and we'll come back with some math practice.